let's download Visual Studio Code. You can click on this, and if you're working on Windows, you should click on this option when download for Windows. It's free for everybody, so you can just see that it is getting downloaded over here. Once it is downloaded, just have to click it and it will open the setup guide. Go through it, let it install in the default location. That's what I prefer. If you want the option when you right click on something, right, there will be an option to open with code. This, if you want that, you can click on this, or you can create a desktop icon if you want. I'll do that and just click on install. The rest of the things will be done for you. Waiting for the installation to happen, and the installation is done. Don't want to launch it right now.